Hey everyone, welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Please excuse the sound of my voice, it's a little bit croaky at the moment. I have a flat tyre on my Xiaomi M365 Miija scooter, which is a real nightmare because this is an electric hub at the front and you've got to take the whole assembly apart to be able to get to it and to be able to fix it. So I'm going to go for the lazy boy cheap option. Where have I put it? Slime. Slimy, slime, slime. Yes indeed. So in here what we have is a bottle of slime, green slimy stuff, and a little tube. And what you do is you fill your tyre up with some of this slime juice, pump it back up, and as you pump it back up, it seals the hole. So, rather than take this entire assembly apart, let's see if this works. So as you can see, my scooter is quite well used. There's quite a bit of mud and muck on it. And this here, this is the driven end. This is where there's a DC brushless electric motor. If we remove this guy, there we go. And then we take this guy off of here, there's a little tiny valve puller, or a little device that gives you the ability to undo the, has that got it? Yeah, I can hear a little bit of air popping out. Ah, there it is. So that's the valve insert there. That means now we can attach this tube and we can flood this with a whole load of slime. Now apparently we need to put in about 2 ounces of slime, 1.8 ounces of slime, something like that. Ah, hang on, there's a lid. There we go, that's the problem. Right, ooh, that looks interesting. Right, let's just put this all back together. Give it a bit of a. Doesn't look like it needs a shake, but I'll give it a good shake. Should probably read the instructions, really. Bringen Sie das Ventil. Oh no, sorry, that's German. Position valve in upper half of tyre. Right, well that's assuming that the tyre is vertical. Slowly remove the valve core with the tool in the cap. So we've done that bit. Allow the tyre to fully deflate. The tyre is fully deflated. Remove the object if possible. There's the object. Oh, it's just a little drawing pin. Ah. Attach hose and squeeze in slime. Doesn't tell you how much. So let's attach the hose. And let's squeeze in some slime. Now, I'm just going to remove the label and the instructions. So how much slime do we want to squeeze in? There you go. Okay, so we can see the top of the bottle here. You can see that it's traversing down here. Right, let's just let that bottle breathe. So I'd say that's probably about an ounce. So let's just give it a little bit more. So if you look now, we're about a quarter of a bottle in. I want the rest of that slime to go in. You guys are going to go mad with me now. Here we go. There we go. Right, so slime is in the hole. Let's just put the lid back on the slime pot. Actually, let's not. Let's put the valve. Okay. Now then, the important thing here, I think, really, is making sure that all of that slime, so a little bit of centrifugal force, pushing all of that slime to the inside of the tyre surface. And then what we've got to do is blow it up. So I've got a little tiny hand pump here. Little bicycle emergency pump, and it's really cute. Sort of perfect size for this, really. Now with the M365 you get a little extension, because they're obviously aware of the fact that that valve is difficult to access. So plug in the extension. One bicycle pump. Okay. Okay, so a bit of luck. There we go. Put the valve cap on. So I'm just going to spin the tyre up. Oops. And the idea behind spinning the tyre up here is just to make sure that centrifugally that slime gets all around the inside of the tyre. Cool. Now we get to try it, see what happens. Fingers crossed, people. Let's see if this magical green slime has fixed it.